Here's a pair of the TOZO NC9 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an LG Smart TV. This is the LG TV that has WebOS. So the first thing is, let's go to the Bluetooth settings on your LG TV. So go ahead and grab your remote. You may have a remote like this, or you may have the Magic remote. Anyway, if you have one of these remotes, you have a settings button right here, that gear icon. If not, you can just go right to the home page. Click on the home button on the remote and just navigate to the settings on the top left hand side. So let me go ahead and navigate up there, move down to settings, okay, and then the settings up there is highlighted, so let me okay that. Now from here on the left pane, we're going to go down to sound, so we're going to go down to 1, okay on the remote, and then from here, we're going to go down 1 to sound out, okay? Currently, it's coming out of my TV speaker. Let's go ahead and select on that right there. And then from here, it looks like we want to go to a wireless speaker down here. I just updated this TV, and before it was different. But anyway, we're going to go to wireless speaker there. Use wireless speaker. We're going to go Bluetooth device. We're going to go ahead and select on that right there. Now you can see under no device have been found, that little spinny thing is searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me. So let's hurry up and put these in a pairing mode. Both buds are in a case. Let's open these up. Now you'll know that these are in pairing mode when both of the lights are blinking white simultaneously after a few seconds. Okay, mine was blinking, now it stopped. The reason why it stopped is because I'm paired to a different device. So I have to manually put these into pairing mode, all right? So if you look on the back here, there's a button right here. The buds are in the case, the lid's open. I'm going to press and hold for like 7 seconds or until both earbuds start blinking. Okay, ready, set, go. Press and hold. I'm holding the button now. Just wait. Okay, there you go. Now they're both blinking white. Now it's in pairing mode. Okay, so let's go back to the TV here. And the search took too long, so it stopped. So let's go back and search again. Let it rescan. It's still in pairing mode, you can see here, and it did find the TOZO NC9, so I'm going to highlight that. Go ahead and select it. Oops, let me do a retry here. It says connecting, and voila, we are now connected. It says connected down there as well, so we are ready to go. Now, if you had any kind of issues pairing or connecting these, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look below in the description area.